Sanibonani Nijani, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sanisogwa Benga, and please make sure that you subscribe. And then besides subscribing, share, comment, show like, hey. So we all know that Zanele Mbokazi passed on a few days ago, and she was just buried during the weekend. One years of a state funeral. There was a girl who was speaking that much. Unonjabulo Mdlulu, who keeps on saying, "Oma, no, Yolanda, they didn't speak." They didn't speak. Yeah, they didn't speak. Nonjabulo has been speaking. So, but yeah, Nonjabulo is not the biological mother. Is not the biological daughter. Kazanele Mbokazi. But Nonjabulo washona kudala bathi she was the older sister of Zanele. Her name was Qondi. So she grew up with Nonjabulo and Zanele, and she became the first daughter. Then there's Umawande, then there's Yolanda. So that's how it is. So that girl has 2 kids from wherever, but izindaba zithi uZandi Khumalo, Dadobakele Khumalo, her husband is taking the second wife, and the second wife is Nonjabulo. So I'm friends with the Khumalos, the Mkomedis. uZandi Nomhlo is my best friend. She is my friend. But then, so Zandi, I know her obviously because the husband, I'm friends with the husband, but there are things that you don't speak about it. To be honest, I'm not surprised about Nonjabulo's story. Not surprised at all. If they see this thing. No, but I didn't say anything because according to Zimoja, Mhlo is taking the second wife. And Zandi's okay with it. She even said I'll call him. She then said yena wazozokhulisa umndeni kaGomede, where I suppose hey, it's just too good to be true for Zandi to allow Nonjabulo to be taken as the second wife. But did she not have an idea? I think she did have an idea. What? And then she just posted she feels sorry because Zanele used to love her also. So yeah, so it's so difficult to speak about the story because I'm closer to the couple, but looks like Mhlo is gonna take the set. But the way Zandi loves Mhlo and always protective, I'm like, did she really say yes, or Moja is actually lying to us? Banye bayaphuma, banye bayadivorce, abanye bathatha ama-second wife. Uzoyibonela-ke wena ukuthi ukweliphi because amadoda avele awekho. So this particular stage, and that's where it's at. Zandi Khumalo's husband once wed the Zanele Mbokazi's daughter. That's the story. Please press like and comment.